We like Scratch 3 because it is really enjoyable to use and there are a lot of different blocks to use. You can also upload new characters and backgrounds.
It has lots more characters than Scratch 2 did, and I really enjoy it because it gives you more of a choice and you don't have to use the same characters over and over again.
The tutorials are different, but I think they could be more challenging. The sounds are good, but some of them could be more realistic.
We could definitely play for hours on end.
This is our Scratch 3 tutorial.
First, you choose the letters you want to use. Then you program each letter with the blocks of your choice.
For the first letter, we are going to program it to play sound. So go to the Sounds tab and pick a sound of your choice.
For the second letter, we are going to program it to change colour. You can change the colour as much as you like.
For the third letter, we are going to make it rotate. So pick which way you want it to rotate and by how much.
For the last letter, we are going to make it change size. Again, you can decide how big or small you want the letter to be.
You can use as many letters as you want, but we are using the word love because we love Scratch 3.
This was our Scratch 3 tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye!